Hello, followers of Immigrants crossing to Canary Island, Spain. My people, tori dey for paper. E get one tori wey I see for the social media site just now, my people. Na I say me I scatter am, make for reach everybody. According to the tori, my people, they say just 2 days, about 618 immigrants don land for the Canary Island for Spain. Now this one I come make the Spanish authority. They come say they wan join hand with the Canary Island government so that they go carry all those minor immigrants when be say they dey for the Canary Island region, so that they'll distribute them for other regions for Spain. As I see the tori, my people, e come make my baby dey scratch me. Now I say me I scatter am, make for reach everybody. You want be say you dey follow my update. I dey always dey talk about this Canary Island when be say many immigrants they dey for that area when be say they need help. But e come happen say the Spanish government they no wan help all those immigrants. Make they carry many of them comot for that region, go another region for Spain. Because the Canary Island government don tell when be say e dey say make the Spanish government make they join hand with am. I mean the mayor when be say dey for the Canary Island region. But the Spanish government they no wan help am. But now they don say they wan join hand with the mayor so that they go carry many minor immigrants comot, distribute them, go inside Spain. According to the tori, my people, more than 600 immigrants land in the Canary in 2 days. Between Tuesday and Thursday, 680 exiles landed in the Canary Island and 23 in the Balearic Island. Immigrant arrival reached record level in the 2024 in the Spanish archipelago located in the Atlantic Ocean, causing situation of the reception system. A new meeting is to take place this Friday between the Canary Island Authority and the government to try to reach an agreement on the distribution of minors to the Spanish Peninsula. So now they say they get agreement when they say they won't reach for this Friday, so that the government of Spain go join hand with the Canary Island Authority, so that they'll carry many minors come up for that Canary Island, distribute them, go other region for Spain. As I see the tori, my people, it come make my baby they scratch me more. Now I say me I scatter am, me for reach everybody. You want be say you dey watch the tori, anything when you see, don't forget to leave am for the comment section. Like, share, me for reach everybody. I don't go.